Hello everyone, welcome to our first tutorial video of HeyGen. My name is Jay. I'm the Digital Product Executive from CBO. First, you will land on the sign up page. You can either choose to sign up using Google, Facebook, or your SSO. So I'm gonna choose my Google account. Okay, great. I have already signed up. So let's create our own instant AI avatar. Click here.
Hey guys, I'm Joshua, co-founder and CEO of HeyGen. Let me show you these two videos and you tell me which one is AI generated. In the early days of computer programming, a significant historical anecdote is known as Grace Hopper and the Bug. In 1947 at Harvard University. Alright, it may sound crazy, but both videos are generated with my AI avatar.
So this is Joshua Shu. He's the co-founder and CEO of HeyGen. The video you just watched is an AI version of him. Click here to get started. So here we have two choices of AI avatar. One is the still video, second one is the motion video. So for today's tutorial, I'm gonna choose a still video. Click here, next step, and upload my video footage. Okay, so I've recorded my video footage earlier. I just need to check whether my video meet these requirements. So my face is visible at all times. I am looking directly to the camera. There are pauses between sentences, and the environment is well lit and quiet. Tick all of these boxes and click here. My footage looks good. As you can see here, I'm one step away. I just need to record my video consent about my video and we're good to go.
5 minutes later.
Okay, my AI video has been completed, so let's check out the results. Hey everyone, this is an AI version of me created with amazing technology. It lets me create videos quickly and easily while keeping things personal. My digital twin is ready to connect with you anytime.